అరే ఇది ఒకటి ఉంది కదా, ఇన్ వన్ ట్రావర్సల్లో చేయాలి, అది కూడా చేయాలి. డే 60కి వచ్చామా బ్రో, డే 60కి వచ్చినాం కానీ ఓకే, కొంచెం ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది. ఒకసారి చూద్దాం ఎంత ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఉందో మనది. 356 అంటే ఏం ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ లేదంతగా, ఏదో పైన పైన ఉంది. నిన్న మొన్న సబ్మిషన్ ఒక్కట్లేదా, ఎందుకు లేదు? అంత తెల్ల తెల్ల కనపడద్దు, మొత్తం గ్రీన్గానే ఉండాలి, బ్లాక్ కనిపించద్దు. Come on guys, if you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. Today we are going to solve the symmetric tree. Given the root of binary tree, check whether it is mirror of itself. We have to find whether the given image or the given tree, binary tree, is a symmetric or not. Symmetric means if you draw a line from the root, it should be the mirror image. Okay, let look here. Is it the mirror image? Okay, I will show you in this one second. Okay, if you are new to our channel, please hit the like and subscribe button and share to your friends as well. We'll grow together. Okay. Now I'll draw the image and let's find out how to do this. 1 and we're 2 and here 3. 2 and 3. If you see here, is this a mirror image? Is this an is this a mirror image? No, because if it is a mirror image, this should be here, right? Mirror image అయిపోద్ది. 3 ఇట్ సైడ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి it is not a mirror image. Okay, let's take this example. 1 2 2 3 4 4 and 3. Look here. Now if you draw a line here, you can see this is a mirror image. The first image is here and the last image will be here. So this is a mirror image. Here also it is a mirror image. Means the tree, binary tree, is a mirror image. When it will be a mirror image, the left should equal to the right and left should equal to this right. Right? Means their opposite child should be equal. If one is none or another is both are not equal, then we can return false. Okay, let's see how can we write this in the code. Shall we use recursion? We will use DFS. We need to return boolean, right? Boolean DFS. I need a tree node of let's take node 1. Okay, n1 and tree node of n2. If node 1 is equal to null and node 2 is equal to null, return true. Okay, now we have to see now if node 1 is equal to null or node 2 is equal to null or node 1 dot val is not equal to node 2 dot val, return false. Why I have wrote this base case? Because look, if both are null means I have reached the uh, leaf node, so we have to return true. But if n1 is null and n2 is not null, or n2 is null and n1 is not null, or both values are different, then we have to return false, right? Okay. Now boolean, what let boolean, let's take mm, bool 1 will take, otherwise left will take. Now dfs of n1 dot left comma n2 dot right. Now bool n right is equal to dfs of n1 dot right comma n2 dot left. Now return boolean, sorry, left or right, any one is enough. If one is false, no, if one is false, we have to return false. If one is true, and here we have to use, because we should check it, right? Left comma root dot right. Now here we have to check another thing. If root equal to null, return true will return. Okay. Now let's submit it. I think it should submit. Yes, we got it. Okay. You will get a question that why I have used and, because if any particular situation is, if any particular situation my logic returns false, then the overall symmetric will be false, right? So that is the reason I used and. If any one false, it always should be a false. If one is, if it is always true, then okay, it always should be true. Okay, now we have completed this. Now we are going to start the hard problems. Root node to path of binary tree ada. Idena root to leaf path ada. By binary tree and reference of a root node, you need to fill all possible paths from root node to leaf node of a binary tree. Return the path from the root node to given leaf node. Okay, I hope the both are same. Given binary tree, you need to fill all the possible paths from root node to the leaf nodes in a binary tree. The paths should be written such that paths from left subtree of a node are listed first, followed by the path of the right subtree. What do you mean? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 3. We have to return in this way. Okay. We'll take an example. 1 second. I will show the screen. I will show the writing board screen. 1 second. Question is root to path, root to leaf paths. Okay, here we have to return the answer in this way. We have to return first. We have to return this value 1 comma 2 comma 4. Next we have to go 1 to 2, 2 to 5, next 5 to 6, 1 to 5 6, next 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 7, 1 2 5 7, next 1 2 3, 3 to 8, 8 to 9, 1 2 3, 3 to 8, 8 to 9. We have to return in this way. We have to return this answer. How can we do it? I never done this problem yet, so it can be little difficult, hard problem for me. If you know, just do it, and if I need any help, I will definitely ask you guys. Okay, come on, solve it. Solve చేయండి, థింక్ చేయండి. ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఫస్ట్ నా ఐడియా నాకేమొస్తుందంటే బిఎఫ్ఎస్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చా అన్నట్టు చూస్తున్నా. సారీ, బిఎఫ్ఎస్ అంటున్నా, డిఎఫ్ఎస్. సారీ, అంటే బిఎఫ్ఎస్ యూజ్ చేయడం వల్ల ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ అది దాంట్లో 1 యాడ్ చేస్తావు, సెకండ్ దాంట్లో 2 3 అంటే ఈ 1 అనేది ఇప్పుడు నీకు 2 టైమ్స్ కావాలి. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఓన్లీ 1 యాడ్ చేసుకుంటావు, నెక్స్ట్ టైం 2 3 వచ్చినప్పుడు 1,2 1,3 యాడ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ టైం 4 5 దీని రూట్స్ కాబట్టి అప్పుడు నువ్వేం చేయాలి, 1,2,4 1,2,5 యాడ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ 8 అనేది ఓన్లీ దీనికి కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు 1,3,8 అనేది దీనికి మాత్రం యాడ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇలా వస్తే ఏమైంది, 5కి కాబట్టి 5 ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఈడుంది కాబట్టి దీనికి 1,2,5,6 పెట్టాలి, 1,2,5,7 పెట్టాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఈడ 8 ఈడుంది కాబట్టి 1,3,8,9 పెట్టాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో అప్పుడు మన ఆన్సర్ ఇది 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 అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇలా చేయడం కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్, ఎందుకంటే నీకు ఆ 3 ఎక్కడ ఉందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకుంటూ రావాలి, అవన్నీ చేయాలి. సో బేసికల్లీ BFS is BFS is I think not recommended. ఇది రాంగ్ అయితే, మై అజంప్షన్ ఈస్ రాంగ్, దెన్ ప్లీజ్ write in chat box. Okay, let's see. Then we can't use BFS. Now we have to use DFS. How can we solve this using DFS? Okay, I know I can go 1 2 4 1 comma 2 comma 4. Okay, then when I backtrack I have to remove this 4. Okay, I'll go here. Why? మళ్ళీ రిమూవ్ చేయలేను నేను. ఒకసారి యాడ్ చేశానంటే మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ ట్రాక్ చేసినప్పుడు రిమూవ్ చేయాలి. ఎట్లా రిమూవ్ చేస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఈ అరే లిస్ట్ అనేటివి ఆర్ లిస్ట్స్ అయినా అరేస్ అయినా కాల్ బై వాల్యూస్తోనే వెళ్ళవు. కాల్ బై వాల్యూ కాకుండా కాల్ బై రిఫరెన్స్తోనే వెళ్తాయి. కాల్ బై రిఫరెన్స్తోనే వెళ్తాయి కాబట్టి మనం ఈ అరే లిస్ట్ యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఒక్క కార్డ్ చేంజ్ చేసామంటే మొత్తం అన్నిట్లో చేంజ్ అయిపోద్ది, ఎందుకంటే రిఫరెన్స్ అడ్రస్తోనే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, నాట్ బై ది వాల్యూ. మన ఇంటీజర్స్ లాగా కాకుండా, ప్రిమిటివ్ డేటా టైప్స్ కాకుండా దీనిలాగా వెళ్తాయి కాబట్టి వీ కాంట్ డూ ఇట్. ఇంకెలా చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఎవ్రీ టైం మనం డిఎఫ్ఎస్ లూప్ వేసినప్పుడు ఏమవచ్చు అంటే ఒక అరేని పంపుకోవచ్చు. పంపిన తర్వాత అది 1 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే 2 4 యాడ్ చేస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ రిటర్న్ బ్యాక్ అయ్యేటప్పుడల్లా రిమూవ్ చేసుకుంటే రిటర్న్ బ్యాక్ అవుదామా, ఏమంటారు? బ్యాక్ అయిన ప్రతిసారి విల్ రిమూవ్ 1 and you will get 1,2 here. Again you add here and you go remove 6 రిమూవ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వస్తాం, మళ్ళీ 7 రిమూవ్ చేసేసి మళ్ళీ రిటర్న్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు 7 రిమూవ్ చేస్తావు, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ 5 రిమూవ్ చేస్తావు, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ 2 రిమూవ్ చేస్తావు, నీకు మళ్ళీ 1 ఉంటుంది, మళ్ళీ 3 యాడ్ చేస్తావు, 8 యాడ్ చేస్తావు, 9 యాడ్ చేస్తావు. ఎప్పుడైతే లీఫ్ నోడ్ వస్తుందో ఆన్సర్లో యాడ్ చేస్తావు, రిమూవ్. ఇది ఇలా చేయొచ్చు అంటారా? క్యాన్ వి డూ ఇన్ దట్ వే, ఏమంటారు? సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు అంటారా అలా? నా ఐడియా ఏంటంటే ఒక అరే లిస్ట్ తీసుకుందాం, అంటే లిస్ట్ తీసుకొని అరే అందులో ఫస్ట్ యాడ్ చేస్తూ వెళ్దాం. యాడ్ చేద్దాం 4కి వస్తావు. 4కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎప్పుడైతే లీఫ్ నోడ్ వస్తుందో లీఫ్ నోడ్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ రిటర్న్ వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఏదైతే యాడ్ చేసావో దాన్ని లాస్ట్ దాన్ని రిమూవ్ చేద్దాం. అప్పుడు నీకు ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది, 1 2 మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. మళ్ళీ రైట్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళినప్పుడు 5 యాడ్ చేసుకుంటావు, 6 యాడ్ చేస్తావు. ఎప్పుడైతే 6 పని అయిపోయిందని రిటర్న్ అవుతావో ఈ 6ని రిమూవ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ 5కి ఇచ్చేద్దాం. అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ 7కి వస్తాం. 7 తీసుకొచ్చి 5కి ఇచ్చేద్దాం. ఎప్పుడైతే లీఫ్ నోడ్కి వస్తావు నువ్వు ఆన్సర్ అనే ఒక అరే లిస్ట్లో ఆన్సర్ స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటూ వద్దాం. అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ 2 రిమూవ్ అవుతుంది, 1 వస్తావు, 3 వస్తావు, 8 వస్తావు, 9 వస్తావు, మళ్ళీ రిమూవ్ 9 వస్తావు. జస్ట్ ఈ ఒక్కటి మాత్రమే మనం ఆన్సర్ అనే అరే లిస్ట్లో యాడ్ చేద్దాం. ఏమంటారు, ఇలా చేయొచ్చు అంటారా? కమన్ చాట్ బాక్స్లో చెప్పండి, క్యాన్ వి డూ దట్ వే? ట్రై చేద్దాం, పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది అని అనుకుంటున్నా. లెట్స్ సీ. We need an array list integer ans equal to new array list. Okay, now we are going to use DFS because I have explained before using BFS can be more difficult to solve this. Right, so I am using DFS root and I need a array list here. Array list will take it as temp temp okay, temporary we will take it as, and we need another array list of array list to store our answers, right? Answer. Okay, now here we will return ans and we'll call DFS of root comma new array list comma ans. Okay, fine. Now let's see if root is equal to null. Now at this point I will add ans dot add new array list temp and return. What you say? ఇది ఏం చేస్తుందంటే, ఒక్క సెకండ్ ఇలా రాయచ్చో లేదో తెలియదు, అంటే నేను మర్చిపోయినా. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుందంటే అది వస్తుంది. దాని తర్వాత ఏమవుతుందంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ముందు ఈ టెంప్ డాట్ యాడ్ రూట్ డాట్ వాల్ యాడ్ చేసుకుందాం. యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత డిఎఫ్ఎస్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ డాట్ లెఫ్ట్ పంపుదాం, దాని తర్వాత టెంప్ పంపుదాం, తర్వాత ఏఎన్ఎస్ పంపుదాం, దాని తర్వాత డిఎన్ఎఫ్ రూట్ డాట్ రైట్ పంపుదాం, టెంప్ పంపుదాం, ఏఎన్ఎస్ పంపుదాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే 2 సార్లు యాడ్ అవుద్ది, ఎందుకంటే నేను రైట్ లెఫ్ట్ 2 సార్లు పంపుతున్నాను కాబట్టి. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాం, ఇక్కడనే యాడ్ చేద్దాం. ఇఫ్ రూట్ డాట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నల్ అండ్ రూట్ డాట్ రైట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నల్ అయితే ఇలా రిటర్న్ చేసేద్దాం, అప్పుడు ఉండదు. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, టెంప్ డాట్ రిమూవ్ టెంప్ డాట్ సైజ్ -1. I hope it should work. Let's see ఏమైద్దో. ఏమంటుండు, can't find symbol యాడా, టెంప్కి యాడ్ లేకపోయిందిరా. ఓకే, ఓ సారీ, రూట్ డాట్ వాల్ లేదు కదా, రూట్ డాట్ డాటా ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, యువర్ అవుట్పుట్ 1,2 1,2 ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ అవుట్పుట్ 1,2,4 1,2,5 1,3 కూడా. ఓకే, ముందే నేను ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపోతున్నా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలంటే ముందు ఇలా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ టెంప్ డాట్ యాడ్ రూట్ డాట్ డాటా కూడా పెట్టేస్తే సెట్ అవుతుంది. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్ షుడ్ వర్క్. ఓ, టెంప్ యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత టెంప్ డాట్ రిమూవ్ టెంప్ డాట్ సైజ్ -1. I think now it should. Yes. Can anyone give? I'll take. Let's see. It should work. ఎస్ వర్క్ అయిపోయింది. కానీ నన్ వాల్యూస్ మధ్యలో ఏమన్నా నన్ పెట్టి చూద్దాం. కొన్నిటి కాడ ఎన్ఎల్ పెడదాం. క్యాపిటల్ ఎన్, క్యాపిటల్ ఎన్, క్యాపిటల్ ఎన్, క్యాపిటల్ ఎన్, క్యాపిటల్ ఎన్. లెట్స్ సి. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సబ్మిట్ ఇట్. ట్రిప్ पे चलेगा. ట్రిప్పా? Hello brother, what is your language bro? I am current, I mean what language means I am speaking. What language are you speaking? I am speaking Telugu and little bit I will use English as well. But in coding I use Java. Oh, I got here an error, something error I got. Let's see. You better do it in English or Hindi, Malayalam, bro. English or Hindi. I am very weak in Hindi. I will try to speak in English most of the time rather than Telugu. I will try to speak in English. Get a job, Sam. Do it English. Yeah, I will try to do it in English. But you have to bear my English. I am not fluent in English. You have to bear with me. If it is fine, then I will try. Can't understand what you said. Do it in English or in bro. I am BTech first year. Okay, great, bro. Where are you from, bro? Jatin Upen. Jatin. Yeah, I will do it in English or Hindi. No, not Hindi. I will try to do it in English. Mhm. Geeks for geeks. Okay, now why I got an error here? Read file 1, 2, n and 3. Okay, here root should not equal to null, and I think it should work now. Give me some tips. Uttarakhand. Okay, great. Rat race. DSA. I so boring, guys. Uttarakhand, great. Bro, give me some tips. For what? Like, what tips do you need? Yeah, like for your BTech re gaming, in what profession are you, brother? hmm Null pointer. Why I'm getting null pointer here? I will just write in. I'll just draw it here. What you said? 1, 2, null. Null means there is no point here, and here it is 3. Okay. By the way, what do you do? Currently, I'm working in Accenture. Recently joined. I'm recently passed out. Recently graduated student of 2025, my year of graduation. Currently, I'm working at Accenture. I onboarded at October 15th. This last month. Okay, I will send you the question link. Try to solve by yourself as well. If you got any idea, we'll try to implement in different approaches, not only single approaches which I got. We'll try to implement in all approaches from you and others as well. We'll try to learn more approaches for a single questions. Okay, we'll try to learn different type of methods as well and different type of algorithms as well. Please hit the like and subscribe button and come daily to our live and we will solve DSA and we will enjoy a lot. Mm, okay, now why my solution number 34? I'm going here 34, 36, 23, 34. At this point, I am going it as no. Okay, let's see. I'm sending the root value. Okay, then and I will check if it is not null and left is not null and right is also not null. Then I will go inside. Okay, okay. One second. I have to write here another point. If root is equal to null, return I will write. I think it is a problem where I got an issue. One second. బ్రో గిట్ గురించి బిగినర్స్ కి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తూ వీడియో చేస్తావా ఐ నీడ్ హెల్ప్ ఇన్ గిట్ టు బిల్డ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఓహో గిట్ గురించా ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు డూ ఇట్ బ్రో బికాస్ దేర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వీడియోస్ ఇన్ ది యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ రైట్ ఐ థింక్ యూ క్యాన్ గెట్ ఇట్ అంటే నాకంటే చాలా మంచి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేటోళ్ళు చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు దానిలో మళ్ళీ నేను ఎందుకు చేయడం అని లెట్స్ రన్ ఇట్ అండ్ విల్ చెక్ స్టిల్ విల్ గెట్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ హియర్ yeah we got it. The reason we got an error is due to this. The root is if null we have to return, but I never checked here. I have to write if root is not null, then I have to do the DFS, but I've never checked that root is null or not. So this base case is missed in previously. So and now I added by doing the what you say అదేదో పేరు మర్చిపోయినా ఓకే git okay I will try to do it bro I want to do a few one long video as well I want so I will try to do it okay mm. Now we have to now it is a median problem but Striver made it as also a medium we'll try to do it lowest common ancestor of a binary tree. Given a binary tree, find the lowest common ancestor of two given nodes of a tree. According to the definition of LCA on Wikipedia, the lowest common ancestor is defined between two nodes P and Q such that lowest node in T has both P and Q as descendants, where we allow a node to be descendant of itself. Okay, look. The thing. Okay, I will explain the question what the question is. Then we'll try to jump into the algorithm. What we'll get. Okay, bro. Okay. If you're new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. If you feel LIC right. If you feel our channel is doing great job, then please hit like and subscribe. We'll move here this problem and we'll write. One second. I'll show the. We will write now LSA least common LCA least common ancestors. Okay, now here what we have to do, look, let's take 7 comma 0 are the two tree nodes we want to find. We want to find the least common ancestor of 7 comma 0. Where is 7 is here and 0 is here, so we have to find the ancestor that should be least. Look, is 2 is an ancestor which is common to 7 and 0. No, 7 is this 2 is connected to 7 but 0 is not connected to 2, right? Now let's see 5. Is 5 and 7 are connected? No. Sorry. Now see Is 3 and 7 are connected? Yes, these two are connected by 3. Therefore, the least common ancestor will be 3 for this test case. Now take uh, 7 and 6. Take 7 and 6. 7 is connected to 2 and 6 is connected to 5, and this 2 is connected to 5. So the least common ancestor will be 5. The 5 is connected to 6 and 7, and this and another common ancestor can be a tree. Root node always be an ancestor, but we have to find the least, mean the which is nearer to the both 6 and 7 common ancestor, that is 5. This we have to return the 5. This is the question uh, of the least common ancestor. Now we have to find the algorithm how to solve it. If you want to solve, I will send you the link. Try to solve, open your laptops and try to solve it. And the same thing I want to say, if you got any other approach, just comment on the chat and we will try to do the approach as well if it is different from my approach. Okay, like if someone used DFS, someone used BFS in other cases, in other situations like uh, arrays, etc., they will use prefix sum. Someone use DM again, recursion. So we'll try to learn different approaches for same problem. Okay, now, okay, how can we do it? We are here and we'll take 0 as here. uh, Now we have to find, how can we find 3 will be our ancestor, least common ancestor. Okay, how can we do it? One way we can do it is we will find the we'll find the path of the this path of the one tree node, and we'll find another part of the tree node, means 3 comma 5 comma 2 comma 7 is one path, and another is 3 comma 1 comma 0 is another path. Okay, now we will check if both trees are same. Okay, we'll take a temporary like a tree node, and we'll always assign the tree node to this. If both are same, we'll assign 3, and next we'll check 5 1. Both are same, no, so therefore we have to return this 3 as our tree node. It is one way. Now in before problem we have solved the paths, right? Path of the all leaf node. In the same way we have to do it. um, is there any other way can we solve it? Because I have solved just before resetting the solution, I have solved using DFS. I have solved in single recursion. How? I don't know how I solved it, but we can solve it in single recursion. If you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. If you feel our channel is good, providing a good content, please hit like and subscribe button. And in description I have shared my LinkedIn and Instagram and WhatsApp channel as well. Today only I have created the WhatsApp channel. I have shared the link there. You can join there and connect there. In WhatsApp channel, if there is any interesting jobs or any other information, I will share there, and others will also share there, so that everyone will be everyone it will be helpful. Okay, come on guys, if you are new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe. 8 people are watching, still our likes are at 4. Once check and do the like. Okay, we'll go move. Okay, we're thinking of using a DFS because I have saw in that question solution. Can we, okay, how we'll see, how can we know DFS? How can we find out? We'll go, we'll go and go and go and go. Okay, we found 0 and we found 7. Then How can I know these three will be my ancestor, common ancestor? How? Okay, first we'll try to solve this. First we'll try to solve this in this way, what I told. Then we'll try to find the way how to solve using DFS in single recursion. Okay, we'll try to do it both ways. Then we'll find. Hi bro, welcome to the stream. VTU. Hello. We'll try to solve in both ways. I hope I have solved in both ways. No, only single way. Okay, we'll try to do it. First, we need a path, right? So for path, I will take void path DFS. I'll take. In path, I need a tree node root comma. I need a tree node to find. Means I need a target, right? I need a target. If sorry. Mm, and I need an array list, right, to store the path of the path. So I need an array list. In that I will I will store three nodes because we have to return a tree node, not the int, not the integer. If they gave the return type as integer, then we have to store three. We have to return just three, but they said to return the tree node, so I am using the tree node as a data type here, and I'll take temporary array. And how can we find? I need only the path of the 7 or the 3. How can I know? How can I find only that path has to be inside the temp? Now, if root is equal to null, return. Okay, null or root is equal to target. If root is equal to null or root if is equal to target, return. Mm, I think instead of doing twice, I can do it in single time. Means I can take again target P comma target Q. Means tree node Q. I will take an another array list tree node an is equal to new array list. Why I am taking this? Because when I find this, when I find P and Q, I will store this temp into answer such that uh, I can do I will use for loop to find the least common ancestor. Instead of doing twice recursion, at single recursion we can find P and Q paths, right? So I'm using that. Tips to learn DSA from first year. Uh, just start doing it, bro. If you know any language like, and oops concepts and basic DSA means basic data structures like stacks, queues, what is mean by if you know basic algorithms. Now, no need of learning algorithm as well at first year, at stage of first year. Just you have to know the language, you have to know the oops concepts of that language and start doing the problems. First, at particular initial stage, you feel it is difficult to solve a single question, but the problem is you don't try to be you don't be in a stage like I am not going to solve any question. The you have to be in a stage that if you can't do it, you just learn the algorithm what they have used. That is the best way to learn algorithms instead of learning or by taking a tutorial from YouTube and learn all the algorithms. The best way to learn algorithm is by solving the questions. If I would in first year or second year, I will definitely follow this method. In which year you are, bro? I graduated recently in 2025. Currently, I'm working in Accenture as an S- associ- associate software engineer. Okay, now if this root equal to P or root equal to Q, then ans dot add new array list temp. Okay. mm, Now temp dot add root dot val. Now path dfs of root dot left comma p comma q comma temp, path dfs of root dot right comma p comma q comma temp. Now here we have to return remove, right? Dot remove temp dot size -1. Okay, what mistake should I avoid in college? Doing time pass. One of the mistake is try to maintain the attendance. Don't try to maintain 100% attendance or 90 above. Just maintain the attendance which you required, and mostly focus on the content what is required for your placements. Means if you go regularly to the college, it won't give a placement. I will definitely say that. And I realized it at third year, second semester. If you go daily to the college, it will just get you attendance, but nothing. If you will definitely you will learn, or if you will get GPA by reading 1 or 2 days or the night before exam. You will definitely learn in that way, but not. Oh, sorry, I have don't written right. I have to return null. Okay. If you maintain 100% or above 95% of the attendance, you will lose a lot of what is a learning. If you if you are in hostel and try to learn new skills, it will definitely helpful instead of going to college. You just revise what are the important concepts have been told in your college, and just revise them at before going to exam. That's it. That one of the best tip I will give. Instead of going daily to the college, just maintain the attendance and keep the amount of time to learn the new skills rather than going to college and just listening to the classes. Now I have to print as well. Sorry. Okay, if I print, it won't be the correct. It won't I get. Okay, I will try to print. Let's see what will happen. System dot or dot print println ans temp. Oh, sorry. What happened? Hmm? Expected comma. Oh, sorry. I need an answer array, right? Array list, array list, tree node ans, because I have to store them. There is no answer here. Then it should give me answer error. Why I'm getting this? Expected. Okay, sorry. I have missed this one. Huh? Int cannot convert it to tree node. Ah. Oh, sorry. I have to add it root. Mhm. Standard output empty. Ah. Why empty? Always I'm getting empty. Let's take root dot val is equal to p dot val. I think it should be. I think it should work. Root should be equal to p means. Why it's not working? I don't know. Still I'm getting empty. Which college did you complete your degree? Aditya Aryan. Great. Great tip. Say some tips for skills. Improve skills and just give time to them and do projects. Mostly don't learn them by using watching tutorials. Try to do them by solve by doing the projects instead of watching tutorials. Just watching tutorials and maintaining your notes will definitely won't helpful. By solving or by doing the projects, you will get it. Which college? I think. Do you have an idea of college name called CBIT Chaitanya Bharat Institute of Technology? It is located at Gandipet and it is in Hyderabad, Telangana. If you have an idea, then belongs to that college. ఎందుకు బ్రో ఎందుకు యాడ్ అవ్వట్లే లైక్ ఎందుకు పోవట్లే వై ఇట్స్ నాట్ why there is no answer here. Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. I am not calling this recursion and I'm trying to find it. New released, comma, ans. Shit, it's a very big blunder. Now let's see. We had only one. Why only the 6C323F1? Okay, sorry. 5 and Q, 5 and 1. So we had only one tree node for 5 and 4. 5 and 4. హలో చెప్పు మరి ఎన్నిసార్లు కాల్ చేస్తారు నీకు మొత్తం పండుకుంటూనే ఉంటున్నా సరే స్ట్రీమ్ చేస్తున్నా స్ట్రీమ్ అయిపోయాక కాల్ చేస్తా guys, if you're new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to connect with me or any other, I have created a WhatsApp channel. Please join there. It is there in description, and I also provided the LinkedIn and Instagram account. You can connect me there as well personally. Why four is not added there? Okay, sorry. If it is 5, it should not be written, right? It should not return that. Mm, very good. Thank you. Okay, now we have to find. Hmm. Now our main, I will show you in the here. Look, here in this question, he gave, we have to find 5 comma 4 least ancestors, right? In ANS, I have two array list. Let's take 5 list I had only 3. Hmm? and for array list I had 3, 5, comma 2. You can't see them because these are in the form of address, not in the form of the uh, basic human readable format. It is in the form of address. So look, at 5 we had only single question. అన్న ఈ ఫోన్లో ఎవరైతే ఉంది బ్రో, ఫ్రెండ్. Okay. Now our main aim is to find the least common ancestor, right? Now let's check whether these two is same. If both are same, we'll make an tree node like temporary node. We'll at first I will make it as null, then we'll use this. If both are same, then we'll use tree node as 3, and we'll check another element, is there any other element which is equal to the both in 4 and 5. There is no, so we will return 3 because this is our least common ancestor, because 3 is connected to 5 and 4 is also connected to 3, but the thing is 5 is also a least ancestor to the 4, right? Because 5 will become the ancestor of 4 and it is an connected to itself. So here we have to return 5. Then we have to make a little diff changes. We have to do a little changes, that here we have to add ans dot, not ans, temp dot add, what is it, root dot val also, sorry, root here. That's it, I think so. And we'll remove here. Should we have to remove? No, I think if we add here, then it will become adding twice, because after going from here to here and we are going to add again root value here. So then we have to remove here. Definitely we have to remove this. Temp dot remove mov, we remove temp dot size -1. Definitely we have to remove this. Otherwise it's gonna be added to double there. 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, now we'll use a loop here, while mm, we'll take int I is equal to 0, while I is less than ans dot get of 0 and get of 0 dot size as well, and then I should be less than ans dot get of 1 dot size. Now we'll check, and as I said before, we have to make tree node temp is equal to null. We will use now, otherwise okay, we'll use null here. We'll return here temp. Now if ans dot get of 0 dot get of I dot val is equal to ans dot get of 1 dot get of I, then this temp will is equal to ans dot get of 0. Else we have to make break, else break I plus plus. Bad operator. Oh sorry, here also I have to write val. Okay, I have to hide this one. Mm, cannot convert it to okay, dot get dot I. Okay, Is CS degree good in 2025? Definitely. I will recommend you to do, but there can be a fields. Bro, I am from civil engineer from NIT Warangal. Great, NIT Warangal. Currently in second year. Can I get SD jobs through off campus? Uh, it can be difficult. It will be difficult, but because of your college, there might be a chance of getting, because there can be a chance of shortlisting based on their college as well. It can be easy for you to get compared to other tier 1, tier 3, tier 2 colleges. NIT Warangal has an high, it is a high best college, right? So you will have a chance. I think so, but it will be very difficult to get an off campus for a mainly for a freshers. Freshers to get off campus is high. My suggestion is, if you get even a single 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs package also, try to go for it. Don't neglect it. After neglecting it, you will definitely regret. Okay, we'll try to uh, do few more test cases. We'll try to check in this in this test case input 4 data, test case 31. Broken getting following error data. Okay, let's submit it. I can't see any test cases. Why all everyone got the same test case error? Okay, finally we have successfully completed the LCA as well. Now already I have submitted last time. Look, July 17. This solution is far good than mine. Look, we are going to find if null or equal to root, return root. We are returning root. How? We'll try to decode this. We'll try to do the I forgot the name, what we call that, dry run. We'll try to do the dry run this for this question, for this algorithm. Then we'll check how it is going to helpful. Okay, if you're new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. Do you know IBS? No, bro, I don't have an idea of IBS. Is it in Chennai or any other state, or it is in Telangana? I know only few colleges in Telangana because I belongs to that state. If you're new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button, and I have shared the LinkedIn in the Instagram and WhatsApp channel. If you want to be there in our community, please go and add in WhatsApp channel, and if you want to connect me personally, you can send me any message in LinkedIn as well. Okay. Hmm. Now let's decode that. We'll try to decode this. Okay. Look, you will definitely gain a lot of knowledge while doing dry run of the unknown process, means unknown algorithm. Look, it is, I have done it already, but I don't know how I had done this, because I definitely say I have saw the solution in YouTube. But if I do dry run this, I will definitely get a very good understanding of any, what we say, algorithm. Doing dry run will definitely give us best results. Okay, first lowest common ancestor, we are going to return p and q. Okay, if root is null or root is equal to p or root is equal to q, we are returning root. Okay, true node left will go left and root node right will go right. Okay, now if left is equal to null, then return right. If right is equal to null, return left. Else return root. We are returning root. Okay, we'll check using an example. We'll take this as an example. Control C, we'll paste it here, Control V. And now what we'll take P value as we'll take 7, P as 7 and Q as 2. Okay, now we are here and we'll go left. Okay, we went left and we'll go again left. Okay, we went left. Now if left is equal to null, now again we'll go left, we'll find the null, so we'll return root. Here we'll return 6. Okay, we'll return 6. Now we'll go right because this left value will be 6. Now we'll go return right. Now we'll go mm, now we'll go right and we'll go again left, and here we'll return 7. We'll return 7 here, and here what we'll return on right side again we'll return 7 here, and left side we'll return 6. Now is left and right both are null? If left is equal to 9, we have to return right. If right is equal to null, we have to return left. Because both are not null, we have to return root. Means we have to return 5 here. We are going to return 5. Okay. Hmm. Here we have to return 2. Sorry, we have to return 2 because from here we will get 4. Here left 7 is 4 and right side is 4. Here we'll return 2 and both are same, so we'll return 5. Okay, but at last we'll return 3 right here. mm, Bro, how much DSA can we cover from driver sheet? If I start now, I knew just C++ till now. Okay, driver sheet will cover most of the topics because I am doing that because since it has a lot of problems, and it will definitely help to solve most of the topics, but it only give the basics, and it will teach you what are the topics will be in DSA, what are the algorithms are there in DSA, but it won't teach the level you can solve any question. It can only teach you up to the basic levels, and if you are good at all the questions in the driver sheet, you can easily crack an interview of like small companies. But large companies like Google or FAANG companies, you can solve, you can get it, but not up to the mark. You can still go for it by solving driver, but okay, not up very deep. You will get knowledge, but all the information, all the basic idea of DSA will definitely you will get it because it covers a lot of problems there, and it depends on you as well how you learn them. Instead of just doing problem, you just you learn the algorithm, why they use this algorithm, how they use, is there any other different algorithm can be used. 67 67 and bro, what is 67? We'll come here, we'll return 6. Okay, now here, okay, we are going to return root means okay, 7 value, right? Now okay, 1 second. ఫస్ట్ త్రీ తీసుకున్నాక లోపలికి వెళ్తాం, లెఫ్ట్ వస్తాం, మళ్ళీ లెఫ్ట్ 6 కోసం యూ విల్ గివ్ లెఫ్ట్ అగైన్ అండ్ యూ విల్ గో లెఫ్ట్ ఇయర్. బట్ ఇఫ్ రూట్, since this is null, you are going to return root. Root will be null. Root will be null here. You are going to return null, and now this left value will be null here. This left value will be null, and now you will go for right. Here again you will get null. Okay. Here you will return null again. Now at particular point, if both are null, if left is null, you are going to return null. Here no. I am going something wrong here. The reason we are facing difficulty is due to this recursion. You can understand few recursions very easily, but few will take time to understand why they wrote left side or right. Okay, if you're new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. We are going to have a live again in 9 at 9:30 p.m. today, where you learn Java. I hear that Java has low amount of library access, but C++ has high amount of library access. So which one I choose? Yes, uh, I think you don't prefer the language based on the libraries, because if you want, Python is the best. You can access anything in from Python. A lot of libraries in Python. If you want to go for language based on libraries, I will definitely choose. I will suggest you to choose C++ because it has less. I mean, if you choose Python, there are mostly try choose only three language for the DSA: Python or C++. This Python has less coding. I mean, less number of lines we have to write. Java has high number of lines. We have to write a lot of lines or a lot of characters, words to just print a statement. But C++ is in the middle, both. It is in the middle of both Python and Java. It will be having we will write a code, but not less than Python, not greater than Java. It is in between of Python and Java. So I will prefer with C++. But the reason I choose Java is I want to be a Java backend developer before, so I choose Java as my primary language. I will prefer you to choose in the same way. If you want to be a Java developer, or if you want to be a something where C++ is needed, then go for C++. If Python is needed, go for Python. If Java is needed, go for Java, and have a basic idea of C++ and Python if you are in Java, so that if you went to a company and they want to shift your language, you can easily shift. Basically, you have to select the language based on the requirement in future. Since I want to become a Java developer Spring Boot, so I choose Java. You also choose in the way which will helpful to you. Actually, ఏం చేస్తున్నా రూట్ రిటర్న్ చేస్తారు. ఇక్కడ కూడా రూట్ 2 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, left null and return not null, right return. Okay, left null ఎందుకు అవుద్ది? Okay, we'll try to do it in evening stream. Okay, we'll try to do it in evening stream. Today evening we will cover another question as well, since these are hard problems little. We'll try to solve them little in slow pace. Maximum window of a binary tree. What does it? Given root of the binary tree, return the maximum width of the tree. The maximum width of the tree is the maximum width along all levels. The width of one level is defined as the length between the end nodes, and the rightmost non-full, where null nodes between the end nodes that would be present in the complete binary tree, excluding down to the level, also counted into the length. It is guaranteed that answer will be in the range 32 meters. Okay. Okay. What is saying? We have to find the length. Your length will be 7 ata. Why 7? We'll try to copy this. Okay, I got an idea of how to solve this. We'll try to do it. If I get it, okay, we will try to do it in today's evening class or even the night live session. We'll do it. Please don't forget to join there. Keep reminder in your mobile at 9:30 p.m. Why do you prefer adding nodes inside the I statement rather than moving if statement beneath and add statement? This is for the code you wrote. శశాంక్ భాయ్ ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు? Where you learn Java? Actually, I am good at Python. Still till 4.1, fourth year, first semester. Then I started shifting from Python to Java. How I shifted is by solving the DSA. I first solve the question in Python and I will try to convert them into Java with help of GPT. If I use a list here, okay, I have used list here. How can I, what type of data structures are present in Java and what are the methods of this data structure I can use to solve this question. So in that way I learn the Java, not by watching tutorial. If I start watching tutorial, then definitely a lot of time I would have wasted. Question number 236. 236 అట బైనరీ ట్రీ ఇదేనా ఏం చేస్తారు 236 ఏంది ఇక్కడ ఇదేనా so that's why you have to be in live bro for starting from starting. You came now and you are going to say something I am not understanding. Why do you prefer adding a node inside I statement rather than if statement, moving the if statement beneath the add statement? This is for the code you wrote. Okay, I got it. You want to tell this instead of adding and removing, just mm, transfer this if statement to down and remove this. That's it, right? Okay, okay, now happy. Okay, happy Shashank, bye. I think you are happy now. Okay, if you have any doubts, message here. I will close the stream. Super bro, crazy bro. Yeah, thank you, bro. Okay, if you don't have any, if you're new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button. And I have shared the link of three links I have shared in the description. One is LinkedIn, another one is Instagram, and another is where you learn Python. Python is in our curriculum, bro, in our college curriculum. So we have to learn Python to get a GPA or to be passed in Python. So I learned Python because of the curriculum. Otherwise, I definitely choose C++ or Java at the start beginning stage only instead of going with Python. We don't have C++ or Java in our curriculum. We have only Python, and these data structures, algorithms, everything are in Python. Or you have to do it in C. It's your wish. You can do it in Python or C in according to our curriculum. Today I am going to release a new video. It states about the HTTPS. It will tell about how we don't blindly follow the websites if they shows HTTPS. We have to check is it a verified domain as well. Not only believing HTTPS means it is a safe website. We have to also believe that we also trust. We not trust. We have to find whether the given domain is legitimate. Not I have already, I think today, not today, tomorrow at 12 a.m. it will be published publicly. It become public. I have just scheduled it. A short video. Don't forget to see and just hit like button and comment on how can I improve that. Improve the video. Did you follow any online platform to learn Python? Oh yeah. At initial stage of Python learning, I followed the Code with Harry. Kovith and I solve the hacker rank problems. Like they will give basic problems to strengthen your programming language, like how to use for loop, how to declare the variables from the starting level to they will reach to the intermediate level of hacker rank. HackerRank played a major role in to learn Python and the way how to write the coding. I will definitely suggest you to use HackerRank for beginner level at beginner level. If you are weak at coding, writing coding, just go to HackerRank and search for the language which you want to learn. Just solve the questions because it will go from level 0 to around level 7, 6, 5 level. If you want, it is like basic to intermediate level they can provide. You will in that you will definitely get used to the language and it will helpful to you. If you're new to your channel, please hit like and subscribe button. Bro, Tony Shark person suggested, can you create a video on Git operation that would helpful, bro? I will think of it, bro. Mostly, I won't do it because there are a lot of people who had made it, and those knowledge are good compared to me. They will definitely helpful rather than doing me a job. And let's see if it is. Is it too better to learn other languages? Look, the basic problem is don't learn lot of languages. Just pick one and be strong in that, and just have a basic idea of other language because the logic will be same. The only difference you will face is the methods and the way of writing the code. That's it. You can use GPT or you can use any other platform to just convert the Java to any other language, right? So why you learn a lot of language? You learn one language and try to be strong in that language, and you can convert easily from one language to another using AI, or by solving 2 3 times you will definitely you can easily understand how in C++ how the for loops are used, in Python how the for loop are used, in Java how for loops are used, what are the methods are there. Just it is like giving the time to convert one language to other. Just in basic 1 2 weeks you will easily convert them. Learn one language in deep is better. My suggestion. My opinion. Okay, we'll connect today at 9:30 p.m. Don't forget to join there. Bye bye. Bye friends.